Hello children, welcome to Ben's Math class. Today we are going to have a very interesting but brief lesson. We are going to find the area of a square and a rectangle. You know what? You will soon discover something by yourself. So get set and let's quickly get to the board. Okay, here we have three shapes. We have two rectangles and then we have a square here. We are going to find the area, as we said earlier, that is the face of the shape basically. So quickly, let's look at what we have on the board. When we are measuring the area, we measure them with squares. We use the unit square for us to get the same answer, because if you use a bigger one and I use a smaller one, we are going to have different answers, but the answers must be the same. So if we are using the centimeter unit square, it must be the same. We can use the meter unit square or the kilometer unit square, depending on the larger area we want to measure. So quickly, let's count the number of squares we have in shape A. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So let's write the total number here. Shape B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Shape C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's great. Now, we are now going to find the number of squares we have in the length and the number of squares we have in the width. Let's start with shape A again. Length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write our 6 here. Let's come to the width 1, 2, 3. So squares in the width we have 3. Shape B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write your 6 here. What about the width? 1, 2. Good. Shape C. Length 1, 2, 3. We have our 3 here. Then 1, 2, 3 for the width. Okay, that's good. Now, let's quickly look at what we can do to the number of squares in the length and number of squares in the width to have our area. Now, to assist you, try using the basic operations and see which one will work. We are going to try with division, subtraction, addition, and multiplication. We are going to find out the one which will work for all here. Okay, quickly, let's start with shape A, 6 and 3. So let's start with 6 divided by 3. What is going to be our answer? You know that is 2. Okay, we didn't get 18, so division won't work there. Let's try subtraction. 6 minus 3. What are we getting there? 3. Okay, that we didn't get 18, so no. Let's come to addition. So 6 plus 3 gives us 9. Okay, that also didn't work. Finally, to multiplication. 6 times 3. What is the answer there? 18. Good. Meaning that multiplication has worked for shape A. Let's come to shape B. 6 divided by 2. What are we getting? 3. So it won't work. 6 minus 2 gives 4, not 12. 6 plus 2 gives 8. Okay, so that didn't work. Finally, 6 times 2, what are we getting? 12. So multiplication has worked for the 2. Finally, to shape C, which is the square. We have 3 divided by 3. What do we have there? 1. So we didn't get 9. Okay. Then we have 3 minus 3, giving us 0. Oh, no. 3 plus 3, that is 6. No. 3 times 3 gives us what? 9. Perfect. So you can see that multiplication has worked for the 3. Meaning that when we want to get our area, shape A, we have 6 times 3, which gave the 18. 6 times 2, which gave the 12. And 3 times 3, which gave the 9. Good. Now, finally, if these are the lengths and these are the widths, and then we have our L and W giving us the area, then the length comes, the operation is times, and then the width comes. So we get to know that the area is the length times the width. You know what? If you are given a very large area to measure, there is no need going to put squares down. You just need the distance of the length, distance of the width, and then you do what? You multiply. That is good. Get your books, do more practice, because you know practice makes perfect. And then until we meet again, just subscribe to my channel and get more interesting mathematics lessons. See you in the next class. Bye.